In this video I would like to review one of our digital microscopy cameras. It comes in this box, and this camera is called BRC 1600s. It has 16 megapixel resolution and 1/2.33 inches sensor, which is color. And this camera has a USB 3 port, so you can use this USB 3 cable which comes in the package. To review the images, we have connected this BRC 1600s digital camera to one of our microscopes using this BIO-IMAG adjustable focus C-mount adapter. Over here we are using BMU 500 DIC metallurgical microscope, and we will look at a couple of samples, and we are using a Windows 10 Microsoft software. So in this part of the video we would like to capture the images at different magnification to see how the image quality is. So currently I have 5x objective lens in action, and I switch this to 10x, and next is 20x objective lens, and after that we capture the image at 50x.